rocket.
Look at Dada.
I'm building the rocket.
You're building
Look
the
at Dada.
rocket. Oh, what rocket are we building? We're building that rocket. Whoa.
Jeez.
Nomi, Dada, Papa rocket.
Look at
And Nana
that.
building too.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Wow.
Naomi, what's the rocket do? Does it fly? So Naomi is now gone over there. But we have managed to get this going, okay? So we're getting somewhere, okay? It's mostly built. Now we have to prepare the flight recovery system. All right, we did it though. Here we are. The Nomi, Dada, Papa rocket. Ready to go for tomorrow.
Do it simultaneously.
Yeah, so what you'll do is you have to put the pin in and you have to push it down pretty darn hard. You have to hold it down and then you do the countdown. I mean, the light means it's ready. And then when you hit the bottom of the countdown, you push the other button too.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Ready? 5,
4,
4,
3,
You gonna watch?
2, 1.
1.
Blast off.
Off.
Whoa, that was good.
Open up. There it is.
There it is. I see it. It's coming down at a good speed. Whoa, almost lost it.
It's right over us.
It is. It might land on the truck. Watch out, Naomi.
Here it comes.
Whoa. All right. Naomi, let's go get it. Come on. Come on.
Go get it.
Let's go get it. Come on. Let's get it. Go, go, go. Come on. This way. Let's go this way. Right. Oh, do you see it? It's right over there, Boo. Get it, Boo. You gonna get it? Oh, look at that rocket. Oh my gosh, Naomi. Do you see it? What did it do? Did it fly?
It's like up in the air.
It fly up in the air.
Right.
What do you think, Poppy? You did a good job with it?
I think we did a great job. Good job, team.
Yeah, look at that. All right, you guys ready to rock it?
I'm gonna put it on video. My phone will be on video, so we'll take it.
All righty, let's get it. Here we go. All righty, let's put it just like that. Can you count down, Naomi?
1,
No.
Can we do 5?
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2, 1. Blast off.
Holy. Oh my God. Where the heck is it?
I see it. Do you see it, Naomi?
Oh, had a pretty good video of it.
All right, guys, it worked, huh? Yeah! Naomi, where'd it go? Did it work? Did it go up? It did. It did. All righty, look at that, all intact. Look at that, little burn marks, but that's fine. Feels warm to the touch. And caught it in a cactus.